Mustang coupe.
Find in like a museum selling cars, you know, it's just very unusual. Let's put the light on once again. All right, that's with the light. I hope it's giving you a better view. 289. Look familiar, guys? Found a couple of these, didn't I? On the west coast or west side of the country. That's an original air cleaner too. Look at that big honking air cleaner. Very cool. Thank you, Ed. Wimbledon white, right there, with its 289 badges on the fenders, and it's just sitting back here with some really strange looking hubcaps. Another one. Again, these aren't marked, but that's a 65 now. And I now remember about the regalia on the side of the car. And here's a dark blue one. I don't recognize that as a stock color. Maybe it is, but oh yeah, blue on blue. Nice. It's actually in decent shape. Automatic with the center console. Those center consoles, original, are very rare. And all right, well, let's get the interior over here. I'm kind of bouncing around a little bit. I apologize. Oh, stick. Hang on. I got the light on. Let me turn the light off and get a shot in there. And there is the stick shift. You see it? You see it? It's very dark, but it's a manual. That's cool. And it looks like it's a 289, just missing its badges. But I get a kick out of broken gas caps. Is that weird? Look at the decals. U.S. Air Force, United States Air Force Academy, Mustang. That's cool. Oh, there's the other regalia. 289. No caps. But this was owned by somebody in the Air Force in Texas. That's how I know it's Texas. These cars have all kinds of clues around them. There you go, 1966 Ford Mustang hardtop, also known as a coupe. And they've lost the pedals are gone. I don't know if you can see that down there, but the pedals are off. There's the pedals. There's the original cap. Looks like they got some caps in here. But she's clean. I mean, her dash is clean. I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. Dash looks good too. It might be original. Might be. That probably might be the original color. That might be a Wimbledon white car from the scratches on there. There's the Texas plates. Giving up. The plates are okay to show, from what I understand. I learned from Stuart, the president of the company, that in Pennsylvania, you have to show the plates when you show the car.